Yeah, we're at the bottom. We could take a break right here. This is a false. Yeah, come on.
Oh, that is so clear and so nice. Oh, I need to get my camera out now.
Yeah. So Orion will show you where to take a picture. No, please don't get scared.
That's about it. That's the only thing.
And then I could take a picture for you guys where Orion's going. That's a perfect picture spot and the waterfall.
I saw it.